iPhone SE 2020 versus iPhone 11 Pro Max camera comparison. There's a little twist to this video because this is going to be a blind test. I'm basically not going to show the name of the iPhone. I'm just going to have A or B, and you guys got to decide which one looks better. The whole goal of this video is just to figure out, do you need to spend $1,000+ on an iPhone just to get a good picture quality or a good camera quality, while you could just spend $400 just to get the same quality as the 11 Pro Max. And this video is just a comparison between the two, Apple's most expensive iPhone versus Apple's cheapest iPhone. So this is $1,100 and this is $400. Now before I even get started, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. Comment down below who's gonna win. You think it's gonna be the same? Just let me know in the comments, and drop a like on this video. It does help out the algorithm a lot. guys, so I'm gonna head up to my grocery store, just picking up a couple of snacks. I just hate this time. I gotta wear a mask, I gotta wear gloves. I don't know when this is gonna be over, sadly, but let's just head up to the grocery store. It's closing in 10 minutes. Oh, I gotta rush. And there you guys have it. The iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the SE 2020. I gotta say, a lot of people are forgetting that the iPhone 11 series has deep fusion, so the pictures look a little bit more sharper. I feel like the colors look a little bit more natural, a little bit on the 11 Pro, but the SE is definitely no slouch on certain pictures. But you guys gotta be the judge which one looks better in your case. The 11 Pro Max was camera A, and the SE 2020 was camera B. Comment down below which one has more votes in your opinion. Hope you guys been, tallying up which one looks better. I took some videos too, but I mentioned the name of the iPhone, so here's this video test that I took between the two, both in 4K 60 frames per second. So here's the low light test between the two iPhones, the SE 2020 versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And yeah, it's terrible light in here. I got my hat on, kind of crooked, but yeah. Just testing out the low light capabilities between the two, just to show you guys what's going on. And yeah, there you guys have it. That concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I'd appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below. Are you team iPhone SE 2020 or team iPhone 11 Pro Max? And yeah, other than that, your boy Pops, and I catch you guys on my next video. Peace. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Stay clean. Stay simple.